Hey guys, it's mrlittleDlax. I'm really excited now because I got the Maverik juice in this box right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it. Really hope this is my lacrosse head, the juice, because last time I tried to make an unboxing video, turned out to be the wrong package. So didn't upload that. Okay, here we go. Oh, right here. Nice. This is it right here. A little bit more stiffer than I imagined. Light though, more heavy at the bottom, but awesome. I'm so excited. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 string holes, sidewall. But the weird thing is all these the top holes. There's 2 extra ones, like right there, here. But yeah, this is awesome. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dye this maroon up here, and then fade into black down here, and then my town across here. So yeah, I'm really excited. So I'm gonna, and then I'm gonna string white mesh, black sidewall, and um, one nylon, one straight black, and one um, maroon new. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and dye and string this. Uh, so look out for a full dye and string. Bye.